Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is the 166 in log for 5-year journey and I hope you are doing well. My vision board here, me here, chasing my goal every single day. 1% improvement, 1% life improvement every day. So basically now I will do 15 push-ups. Like I say 1% every day. That means then doing one thing and making it double. Like I started with 1 push-up, now I'm continuing it to 15 push-ups and also 15 sit-ups, and I will edit the video. So if you really not see this is my goal setup. Like I divided my yearly goal to monthly to weekly, and they are breaking up to daily. So there's a two thing that I really need to learn, but now I'm don't even focusing on it. One is boxing and one is Muay Thai. So this is a heavy stack. That's it. So there is some skills that I'm currently trying to learning. Strategic planning, team management, this kind of skill I have learned and I'm improving it. The thing I need to learn is creative thinking, problem solving, adaptability, dressing, color psychology, time management, sales, this kind of important skills. And I also have this thing to remind me my 5-year journey. I'll never scroll, I will never watch TV, I will never play games, I will never set excuses, I'll never get distracted, this kind of thing. So I will do now 15 push-ups, and today was a great day. I do everything that I really need to do, and that's it. And I completed some tasks, so mainly that's it for now. And there is some I have written here. Hope you can see that there is something that always remind me to do, achieve my goal, and work for it. And that's it. Bye, see you in 165. And I am currently try to do meditation. I have forget my thing because it was quite busy for me for studying my academics thing, and so I will try to do meditation affirmation consistently from now. And that's it. See the Bugatti, looks so cool. And that's it. And you know what, this is the fact about this yacht. It is $8 billion and it is never even made yet. I saw that, I searched it about, but people say that like the Google search said that it's don't even ever made. So I really like the yacht. I would like to buy it in black color. And there's the watch, Jacob and Co. Bugatti watch. I will try Jacob and Co. watch, and this is cost 30 million. The Bugatti is 4.3 million. I really like the navy blue one, so I will try to buy it in navy blue color. And the last thing is dream house. So I basically put it just like a photo, but I will try to buy something better from that because I really like the house, but I think I need to buy something better. This is 63 million. So total cost, if I do that, like it will be much more than I can think, 30. So it will take time to make the total of amount of everything. So that's it. At the end, I will, and I do. Bye. Sorry.